Okay, so you're getting into men's fashion, but you're on a budget. That's perfect because you do not have to spend a ton of money on clothes to start dressing better. Look at this clothing rack behind me. A lot of these pieces were not that expensive. How much do you think this costed me? This costed me $4. Okay, that doesn't really count because I bought it at a thrift store. Look, point is, men's fashion doesn't have to be expensive. Today, I'm going to be proving that by looking through a bunch of different clothing brands online. So if you're just starting in men's fashion on a budget, this is exactly what I would buy. Okay, so in my personal wardrobe, honestly, it's not too crazy. High fashion really isn't my thing. The clothing rack that I have behind me, honestly, not too expensive. But the thing is, we all have different budgets. So let's talk about the stores that we can be looking at. So most of the time, if you're on a budget, chances are you're gonna be looking at places like H&M. Now, H&M isn't the worst place. I used to shop there a lot, but honestly, I stopped shopping there as much just because I was tired of all the pieces that I was getting from H&M just not lasting me that much. I figured it's a little bit better to spend a little bit extra money so I could have the pieces last me a lot longer. But one place that is very affordable, that is very known for the quality, is going to be Uniqlo. Uniqlo is a great place to start off, so let's check out their website. If we're on a budget, the first place I recommend checking out is going to be the sale section. But since we're just starting off in men's fashion, we're going to be talking about some essentials. First place we got to check out is going to be t-shirts. Now, Uniqlo definitely is known for their t-shirts. I have a few Aerism tees myself. Gotta say, I love them. But if we're going for the absolute essentials, I think we either have to go a slim fit, which I personally think is better, or we can go with a regular fit. The cheapest one is going to be for $10, but that is a v-neck. I'm personally not a fan of v-necks, but for the most part, you can find some good ones for about 20 bucks. A regular fit to start off with would be just as good. The thing is, with a regular fit, I wouldn't wear it by itself. I'd mostly use it to layer underneath with, which is fine because we're going to be finding some pieces. And trust me, when it comes to Uniqlo, that's not going to be really hard to find. Another really famous one is going to be the Supama cotton one. This one's very known for its quality, and honestly, for the price, not too bad. So let's go with the two main essential colors, and that is going to be white and black. With these, I would go true to size, which is a size medium, and let's go ahead and add them to the cart. Now let's go to the bottoms. Finding a good pair of pants is very essential, and you may be wondering what type of pants you should get. Uniqlo does offer a variety of different pants, so they have things that are a little bit more sophisticated, a little bit more smart. Right now, it is getting kind of hot, and I really want to experiment with linen pants, but like I said, that's not really much of an essential. Out of all these pants, I think the most essential one would be a pair of chinos, and these so happen to be a slim fit. They're $50, which isn't terrible. This neutral one is definitely something on my list that I want to experiment with, as well as beige. Like I said, we are going to be talking about the essentials, and although that may seem a little bit boring, keep in mind all these things are things that you need at first, but as time goes on, once you have these essentials, that's when you can start experimenting with other things. Let's go to outerwear now and see what they have in store. Now, Uniqlo definitely has some cool jackets. This one right here, utility jacket, they have puffer jackets. These prices are a little bit steep. I definitely understand that. Jackets are supposed to be heavyweight. They're supposed to be very durable, and if you cheap out on a jacket, it's not going to be good for the long term. All these jackets are a little bit more heavyweight. Right now, I want something light. So right here, I have a cotton linen overshirt. This one I can see myself wearing with so many different things. This navy one, they do have my size. So again, add that to the cart. Okay, so we have shirts, we have one pair of pants, and we have something to layer with. These are pretty much the essentials. So now is when we can start looking around for other things that may catch my attention. So if we just go straight to the men's section, they have sweatshirts, hoodies, bottoms. They have a bunch of different things, but since we're on a budget, we're going straight to the sale section. Okay, first thing that caught my eye had to have been this half zip. If you know, I love half zips, I love quarter zips. So in my personal wardrobe, I definitely consider this one an essential. So we're gonna go ahead and add this one to the list. This one is a nice summer color. All of these sizes are sold out, so hopefully we can look at a different one. Nope. Everything is sold out, unfortunately. Okay, so we checked around. There was really nothing much in the sale section, so we pretty much just have the essentials. And so we have 4 pieces for $150. Not terrible, but the thing is, with shopping online, there's always ways to get around paying retail price. Another cool option would be a place like Hollister. Now, the thing is with Hollister, I love their store. I think for the price, it's definitely well worth it. But one thing that I definitely will say is that when it comes to Hollister, I would avoid pieces that have their logo on it. And because it's Hollister, sometimes that can be hard to find. So let's go ahead and check that out. So let's look through their website and find some pieces like that. These cotton t-shirts are $9, which are not bad at all. The only issue that I have is that it's a scoop. I'm not a big fan of that. Now, one thing that Hollister is very known for is having affordable pants. For $25, I think is a good option. Now, when it comes to Hollister, I wouldn't let skinny scare you. They're not going to be skin tight. With Hollister, they have skinny and they have super skinny. I would definitely avoid super skinny. So let's go ahead and add it to the cart. Tank tops are also a really good option to layer with, so we could definitely play around with that. I'm a size medium and I'm going to be adding that one to the cart. Now, what the thing is with tank tops, if you're going to be buying a tank top, make sure that you have those overshirts to go along with it, because I wouldn't really wear a tank top by itself. Now, when it comes to the pants, I think they're really tight, so I would avoid things like that. See, these I think are better fits, more casual, more relaxed. These light wash jeans, I'm pretty sure these are the exact ones I'm wearing currently. So yeah, I definitely like the jeans from Hollister. You definitely need some pairs of shorts. These are a pretty cool color for the season that we're in, so probably going to be adding this one to the cart. Now, if you go to a store's new arrival section, they're going to have pieces for the current season that you're in. This is a really good option. I'm a big fan of these types of shirts. Texture, everything's perfect. Variety of different colors. I love this cream color. Black is always going to look good, but when it gets too hot, you're probably not going to wear that. So let's go with this tan color. I think it's a good option. Let's go ahead and add that to the bag. Right now, it looks like they are very on trend. A lot of these pieces are perfect for this season, for this time of year, because it's trending, because they're affordable. If you didn't believe me, Hollister definitely stepped up their game. Linen blend jogger shorts. See, stuff like that, I love to see. I'll definitely be wearing things like that. Right now, I'm looking for a shirt that I could wear with that tank top that we picked up. Well, just for the sake of time, let's add that to the bag. Now, here are 5 pieces that we got from Hollister. So we got some chino pants, we got a tank top, we got some shorts, we got that shirt. Don't know where the last shirt that I went to is at, but who cares? For a subtotal of $93. Not bad at all. So this one definitely proves that Hollister definitely made the cut. Perfect for shopping on a budget. Now look, there are 2 more stores that I definitely recommend on a budget, and that is going to be Zara and Gap. Zara, definitely self-explanatory. I talk about them a lot. But let's talk about Gap, because Gap is very underrated, and I heard as of right now they're having a pretty good sale going on. So let's go ahead and check that out. So right now they have 50% off everything. So let's go to the men's section, because this is very intriguing. So again, a lot of things are going to be out of season. Let's brush right through that. A linen shirt for $25. Can't really beat that. Seems to have very nice texture. That's a really nice color. For the sake of versatility, let's go with this one, an off-white cream color. Go ahead, let's put my size into that. Another Johnny colored polo. Like I said, this is a really big trend in men's fashion right now. Definitely can't go wrong with that. Like I said, I really like this in black. Although it's not going to be your best friend in the warmer season, I'm definitely just going to be adding it because it looks really nice. And they also have some slim fit khakis. Let's go with this beige color. I think it looks really nice. So again, adding it to the bag. 3 pieces total for a total of $72. Not bad at all. I really do love all the pieces that I picked out right here. Everything perfect for the spring, perfect for the summer. And the price, you really can't go wrong with that. $17.49 for a Johnny collar polo shirt. Gap is definitely underrated. I would definitely tell you that, because pieces like this will cost a lot more at Banana Republic, at Abercrombie & Fitch. Now, of course, there are more affordable options. If you want to go thrifting, you could definitely find some gems thrifting, but it's not guaranteed. Places like Walmart and Target, you can find some good clothes there. But again, what I really recommend is spending that extra money. For example, the launch that's coming up on May 13th, I'm going to be releasing my own clothing line. It's going to be Aaron Ramirez with Essentials. All the pieces that I own from Essentials costed me a little bit more money, but it's definitely well worth it, because although they're not dirt cheap, they're clearly not going to feel like dirt cheap products. In fact, I've spent a questionable amount of money on clothes. And with that being said, that questionable amount of money that I spent on clothes was definitely not worth it. So I think you're much better off spending more money for the quality that you're receiving. And like I said, that drop that I'm doing with Essentials is going to do exactly that. So mark your calendars, May 13th, or what you can do is click the first link in the description and sign up for the newsletter, so that way you're notified with any updates that's coming out with this drop. Now, I talked about the current season that we're in right now, and if you want to learn more about how you should dress, more specifically the best spring and summer shirts that you should be wearing this season, I'm going to leave a video to show you exactly that. But other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next video. Later.